How to manage stories about your interests notifications on Google Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage stories about your interests notifications on Google Mobile. First we're going to do is go to Google and then click on your profile and now click settings and then click notifications and click notifications again, and now click this one, go down and click here if you want to turn it off, and if you want to turn it on again just click on it. It's easy of course, and that's how to manage stories about your interests notifications on Google Mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.